Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to talk about some news in the beauty community, more specifically the subscription box community. More specifically, the title of my video, Ipsy bought Boxycharm. They're merging. What does this exactly mean for Boxycharm? I don't know. We're going to talk about it. We're going to discuss, and I want to hear everyone's thoughts and opinions down in the comments. As always, this is going to be a discussion type video. I really want to hear what you guys think is going to happen down in the comments. Let me know. Thank you. Anyways, if you are into these types of videos from me, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Also, quickly, I want to mention that I do have a Jeffree Star giveaway going on right now. If you are interested in entering, I will have the video linked at the top of my description box. And yeah, let's go ahead and start talking about this new beauty news. So everything that I'm getting my information from is from the Bloomberg.com website. They did an article on this. I will have it linked below if you guys want to read it like in full for yourselves. So here we go. The two top subscription boxes in the community are now becoming one. They are merging. Now, Ipsy bought Boxycharm. Now, Ipsy agreed to buy Boxycharm. Now, this is huge. This is huge for all of us because most of my subscribers are here for subscription boxes. So this is some huge news that we are going to be talking about today. Like, this is huge. Okay, so Ipsy has agreed to buy rival Boxycharm E, a pairing that will create a combined business with more than 4.3 million subscribers and 1 billion in revenue this year, according to the company. It says that Ipsy and Boxycharm will operate as separate brands in a merged company called BFA Industries, short for Beauty for All. Terms of the deal weren't disclosed, is what it says. So really quick, I have a concern, and I know a lot of people do. So many people either love Boxycharm, so many people love Ipsy. Some people don't like Boxycharm and they're in Ipsy, and some people love Boxycharm and they don't like Ipsy. A lot of people have actually left, in my own like personal opinion, the things that I've seen in my comments, more people have left Ipsy for Boxycharm than I've seen people leave Boxycharm for Ipsy, because Boxycharm is more for the higher end customers, whereas Ipsy is more of indie brands. You do see some higher end brands in there like Huda. We are now seeing more high end brands like Bobbi Brown, Tatcha, and those brands like that, but more in the sample sizes, not necessarily the full size. But for the most part, you get more products that you genuinely love and will want to use in Boxycharm than versus Ipsy. Now, this article does say that the combined company could go public within the next 18 months. So we do have some time before we really see some changes. But then again, I feel like we might be seeing some changes probably within the next 6 months. And that's my own personal opinion. I feel like we're going to start seeing the changes. So it says coming together will help Ipsy and Boxycharm boost their share of the broader beauty subscription market. Scott Stanford, an Ipsy board member and Acme Capital partner, said in an interview. Ipsy and Boxycharm have chased different demographics, with Boxycharm focused on high-end customers, he said. It also says that Joe Martin, who is, you know, the face of Boxycharm, he's the founder, he will join the board of the new company and continue to lead the brand. And it also says the merged company will also launch a new personal care subscription service called Refreshments in a few weeks. Okay, so personal care subscription service called Refreshments. That sounds like it could possibly be a skincare brand, since it's personal care, like probably body lotions, maybe even like bath salts, anything to do with the shower, skincare, skin tools, all that. That's what that sounds like. That's going to be like Refreshments, refreshing the body, stuff like that. So now I have to say that this actually sounds like a really good subscription box based off of my subscribers, because I have a lot of ladies who are in their 30s and above who really love seeing skincare in their boxes over makeup. So if this is going to be a skincare box, I have a feeling it's going to be a good skincare box. Now, does this mean for Boxycharm and Ipsy, we will stop seeing so much skincare in our boxes and they will focus on putting the skincare items in this subscription box. I hope so, because I personally am a little over getting so much skincare, because the thing is when you're testing out and trying new skincare, it's not going to work unless you use that skincare consistently, and then you'll see results. You'll need to buy another one, you know, to really keep the results going. So when you're getting it in subscription boxes just to try it out, and if you're someone who doesn't really care about the skincare aspect, it would be nicer if Boxycharm and Ipsy, focused on, you know, taking a lot of skincare out of these boxes and putting it into the one skincare box. Now, I'm not saying like in total, like, yes, skincare here and there, one item per box pretty much. Not like you get an entire box of skincare and like one makeup item. I know a lot of people do not like that. I have gotten kind of a little bored with the skincare because it's so repetitive, and especially because sometimes you'll get like literally 2 moisturizers in one box. So I hope that this is going to be going in a really good direction. I have faith that this is going to be good. Now, I know Ipsy personally has more of a better customer service than Boxycharm. Now, I'm not saying Ipsy's customer service is grand at all, but I have to say it's a lot easier to get in contact and get an actual response from someone, and things happen and get worked out better in Ipsy than Boxycharm. Boxycharm has had some issues for sure, and they've really had some issues this year, especially with their shipping, with products not coming in the boxes, with their choice items. Like just this month alone, Boxycharm actually messed up somehow in the system and sent so many people duplicate orders, myself included. I had 2 separate orders, both of which had double product in each box. I saw someone on Facebook today had posted about how they had only ordered like 2 or 3 of these, the Huda double-ended eyeshadow sticks, and got like 23 of them. And then there's other people that were getting their orders canceled because they weren't getting their items. I also saw, I can't remember if it was October or if it was September, a lot of people were ordering from the add-on section and they were literally getting boxes with nothing in it. Literally an empty box. They were shipping empty boxes to people, and it happened to a good chunk of people. So it wasn't just like 1 or 2 people. It was a good like dozen or 2 dozen people that I had seen just on Facebook alone. So I feel like it's probably a smarter move that they merged together. They both are, you know, #1 in the subscription box service for sure. There's some out there that are really, really good, but they just don't compare. They're mostly like full size and samples. But I have to say, I've been looking into, I think it's Chic Beauty Box, I think is what it's called. I can't remember. I actually had never heard of them until recently, and I think they're from Canada, if I remember correctly as well. I think they're going to be the one for Ipsy and Boxycharm to kind of like be a little leery of, because I've seen some unboxings lately because I was intrigued by this new box and people were like loving it. Now they've got some really good products coming in that subscription box. I might even, you know, saddle up my horse and ride into the city and get me some Chic Beauty box too. So you might expect some videos, not right now, but maybe in the near future I'll subscribe to that box. But that one's looking pretty comparable to Boxycharm and definitely looking better than Ipsy. So I think that them two merging is probably going to be a good idea, but also I'm wondering, how is it going to work out? You know, like I don't know how it's going to work out. So I do want to hear everyone's thoughts and opinions about this down in the comments. What do you think is going to happen? What do you think is going to be new? Are there going to be new changes? What do you think about this new subscription box? What do you think it's going to be? Do you think it's going to be skincare like I do? Because it sounds like it would be skincare and like body care. Let me know. And if that one does sound interesting enough to subscribe to, I want to know. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching this little chit chat news story. I love just sitting here and talking about this stuff with you. I love to read the comments. I love to hear your guys' opinions. So anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!